Jesus, you love me too much, too much, too much. I says love. Sorry, my voice. Hey guys, my voice. Sorry. Hey guys, hey everyone, good day. Welcome back to my channel. It's another video, it's another vlog, it's another day. If you are new here, my name is NJ. Welcome back to today's video. Yeah, so this is the first I keep this thing for the 12. So at first I say good morning. Say good morning. Before this or last one. At first I say good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. At first I say I'm playing, no. First I is playing. Oh yeah, sit down. Cheers.
Bye bye to mommy. Bye bye, mommy.
So guys, let me out the light. Christopher, don't be playing of them. Harriet is here eating, so this is Harriet.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
So making her breakfast, In today's video, we are going to be making akara. I just said, let me take you guys. My throat and my. I just said, let me take you guys along. So we are going to be making akara today. So I have soaked it for some time now. So I'm going to be removing the shaft. I'm going to be removing the shaft, So watch how I do it, I'm going to be using blender to just blend it for some time, Then I soak it a bit, then I blend. I think the beans is almost soaked. It left just more time, So I think I've soaked this one now for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to be peeling off the back now. Love me too much, love is kind. Your love is precious. I'm going to be turning the beans in here with some peace and joy. With the water. So I have finished peeling the back. Yeah, but I reduced my blender to a very low side because if not, this blender is so powerful. It's going to blend it so smooth. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, too much. I says love you. You're not doing copyright. This makes the life so easier, You have to use blender. When you don't have blender, you can use mortar to pound it, All the peas will go out for just a minute, for some minutes, yeah. But one today in the evening will come. Your brother the phone say, I will know it. Your brother, I know he will test more today. You gotta test it. The chicken feet. If you see the way I'll punish her. Hey! Mom, that one I done it before.
I know you can live there.
Don't fall for your head. So this is it. I'm going to be putting a bit of water to it. I want it to soak a bit before blending. Onions, 1 onions. So guys, this is it. So this is 1 onions. While this is scotch bonnet pepper, I'm going to be putting this one to fry the akara. So this one is going to set aside. And this, come here. Left, right. Yeah, so it's time to blend. Pour in our beans. They have the beans they have washed in Afro shop, so you can still use that one. It's just for you to just soak it, then blend, wash. You know, after washing, then you soak it, then before you blend. I'm going to be trying that one out also. I will buy that one when I go to Afro shop the next time. So I'm going to be buying that one, and I think I'm going to be using that one for only what they call it, Akara, or the moi moi. I will do moi moi maybe tomorrow. So subscribe to our channel for you to be seeing more of me and my family. To start blending. It's ready. Don't start for mommy. I myself that music. Which video for singer?
You don't read it yesterday.
Yesterday. I'll come edit for TikTok.
My boy, I said you go E A O A A.
You got the airport on you. You got this.
It's not one big one. To learn how to spell your name. Name. N-A-M-E. Name.
I finish everything. Eat it well. Not good job.
That is not like this. Okay? It's just like this. You eat like this.
Not for so far.
Which is
Butter.
okay.
I'll show you fast.
Hell yes, up. And now.
So guys, I have add salt to it, so everything is okay. So that's my oil over there. I put the oil to hot, so the oil is ready now. So now it's time to fry our akara, you know. Taste. I have to add a bit of salt. Take it. don't bust her own. So she needs to go for her own.
Why are you going to? So my room.
Because
You eat, don't eat that soup with grass.
she knows she fuck up.
Eat, can't be me, I don't want it. You don't like soup much.
So guys, it's time to turn the akara. Can you guys see it? So guys, this is the place that I'm going to be putting the akara. So it's almost ready. Follow now. No, follow. So guys, can you guys see it? It's like a local akara. Oh, it looks so beautiful and yummy, yummy, yummy. Stay tuned, guys. You have to reduce your gas to a very low heat because mine is in number 5. Yes, number 5. So I'm turning the akara. Stay tuned. this, guys. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and also help me to be sharing my video. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your love, and bye. Stay safe. Bye.